Going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're replacing today this 20-year-old train. Another company did that one, and they weren't too happy with them, so we're gonna go ahead and do this one. You see the high quality workmanship that they did on this disconnect right here. Tells you a lot. But this is not to critique that video or to critique that work. We're just really here to take a look at the process. Right now, Brian just pumped this bad boy down, and now he's gonna start to take it apart. And Frank is over here working on the furnace and coil that's also gonna be replaced, because that's what you want to do, right? Let's see. Got a super rusted coil. It's 20 years old out here in central Arizona. That's, you got your money's worth, let's just put it that way, if it got to 20 years. So it's all rusted out. Looks like it has some draining issues. We're gonna look into that, what's up with that. And yeah, so I mean, this is what it looks like now, and we will show you what it looks like when we're all done. This is the other companies did this one. Again, you know, your kind of work speaks for itself sometimes, but you know, if you were paying a good amount of money, you would think it'd be nice to, you know, replace the tin underneath. I think that would be a good idea every single installation. But you know, I guess every company's a little different. So we got Frank doing that. We'll give you an update after it's all out. All right, so now that we got this old one out the way, we're going to clean up a little bit of what the previous folks did. They left this whip way too long. We're gonna cut that down a little bit to better length and strap it to the wall there. Redo the box, new whip, and you know, like I said, the workmanship, the reason we took over is because the last company didn't do such a good job. And you can see when they redid this unit or replaced this unit a few years ago, they didn't put all new insulation, and it's just exposed and bare. So we're gonna do that with ours. We're gonna put new UV rated insulation on there, and then we'll put the new one in place. All right, so these things do occasionally happen, but we ran into a significant issue where this thing is full of dirty standing water, and that's not good. When we removed this unit, this coil and furnace, it was bone dry. There's no water in there. So then we took the lid off of this one and looked into here, and you can see this is the one that's leaking water, and it seeped through, because it's a little higher right here, it seeped into this lower level, and obviously wet everything. Everything is super, you know, full of water. And you know, we're gonna see how the contractor wants to go from here. You know, how their main contractor that's doing drywall and whatnot wants to do. But yep, we're gonna have to stop this one for the moment and see where we go, but I'll keep you all updated. Check this out. This will cost this customer thousands of dollars to replace all that wood that rotted underneath. All right, y'all, well, it ended up, these things do happen. Ended up changing course of plan, right? We actually pulled out quite a bit of water out of there. You can see the wood is completely rotted. So same thing. And this was the real culprit, this unit, the one where we weren't even here to do. This was the real problem. So we're gonna go ahead and you know, change this bad boy out. or well, not us, but I mean, you know, a contractor is going to come and pull all this stuff out, rebuild the platform with all new fresh wood, dry it out, do whatever they need to do, and then we're going to come back and reinstall the existing one that was here. Is 5 years old, and then the new one that we were originally here to install. But yeah, I mean, that's how it goes, y'all. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Maybe I'll do an update to this video. Who knows? It may be a few days, but we'll see you on the next one. Peace.